Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. PayPal is hiring for talent acquisition recruiter role. Job location is Bangalore, Karnataka. It's a full-time job role. Let us get to know about PayPal first. At PayPal, we believe that every person has the right to participate fully in the global economy. Our mission is to democratize financial services to ensure that everyone, regardless of background or economic standing, has access to affordable, convenient and secure products and services to take control of their financial lives. Now let's check the job description. Be a talent advisor to actively recruit and evaluate top candidates, educating and guiding hiring managers on talent acquisition related policies, process and interview process, developing innovative recruitment strategies and manage end-to-end hiring activities, delivering an efficient and effective service to all involved in the hiring process. Monitor and ensure 100% compliance of hiring process activities and resolve any discrepancies that may arise prior to completion of the hiring process. Conduct ongoing market research and provide market intelligence to the business as required. Assist in identifying, organize, attend and participate in sourcing channels such as community outreach events, job fairs, meetups, conferences, educational institutions, non-profit organizations and social networking activities on behalf of PayPal in order to promote PayPal's employer brand. Here is the eligibility criteria for this job role. Bachelor's degree in BBA, BBM, BCom. Less than 1 year work experience is preferable in recruiting. Comfortable to multitask, project management and presentation skills coupled with technical business acumen. Ability to work independently in a dynamic environment of change, challenge and multiple deadlines and priorities. Experience in handling sensitive confidential information. Expert name generation, networking and relationship building skills. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After that, this pop-up will be there. You can apply with your LinkedIn profile. If you already applied before by using Workday site, then you can apply with your resume or you can apply manually. After that, sign in option will be there where you have to sign in into your account if you are already having an account. Otherwise, you have to create an account and you have to fill the application and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.